This is Aaron with King's Ding Repair. Today we're going to be showing you a repair on a 2007 GMC Yukon on the rear hatch. And today I'll be showing you the process of paintless dent removal, and to show you that dents just don't pop out. The metal has to be reshaped back to its original form.
Okay everyone, you can see the dent in my light as I'm starting to make small precise pushes on the back side of it to bring the dent back up to its original form. As you can see, this isn't done in just one push, and the dent does not just pop out. The metal will flex back and forth until the metal is reformed back to its manufactured state. None of this could happen with boiling water, dry ice, suction cups. You know, the people you see on YouTube doing this, usually that will only work with large, shallow dents. But once the dent has been brought up, any high spots that may have occurred, I'm tapping down with a hammer and a knockdown. The knockdown has a plastic tip. It will not damage the paint at all. This is all part of the reshaping process of paintless dent repair. I'm about to put the finishing touches on this with a few more precise pushes behind the dent, and this will be back to 100%. It may need a little bit of buffing and polishing, as there was some light scratching in the center of the dent. But other than that, this dent will be back to 100%. Just like it rolled off the factory floor.
Well everyone, as you can see, dents just do not pop out. They take lots of skill, hand-eye coordination to pinpoint and push the dent out precisely. This cannot be done with store-bought suction cups or plungers or anything you may see on YouTube. So before performing paintless dent repair yourself, please consult your local PDR technician. You can reach me at 757-876-8724. This is Aaron at King's Ding Repair. Can't wait to check you out on the next video.